Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Muhammad Saidar Rahman, lecturer, English, Bamundanga Abdul Haq Degree College, Bamundanga, Sundarganj, Gaibanda. This is an English class for the first year students, session 2020 to 21. This is the first year English class, and we have arranged this class because of the problem of COVID-19. The government has arranged the class, online classes all over the country, and for this part of the activities, Bamundanga Abdul Haq Degree College also has arranged this online class. Today I am discussing about the duties of a student. Dear students, please listen to what I say and please look at the whiteboard. Look at the board. We see duties of a student. That means what are the duties should be performed by you. I am going to discuss this thing in details. You know, my dear students, that first duty of you, that means first duty of a student is a duty to Allah. That means duties to Allah. Second duty of a student, duties to parents. And third duty of a student, duties to mankind. Now, I am going to discuss in details the first duty of a student. What is the first duty of a student? The first duty of a student are duties to Allah. Dear students, you know that we have been brought to this world only by the help of Allah. If Allah does not wishes, it was impossible to come for us to this world. Allah has created us all. So we have many duties to Allah. Dear students, please think for a bit. Allah has created every human being, every living being, and Allah has given us all the things which are necessary for us. For example, after rising from sleeping, after rising from the bed, we need a lot of things. First, we need oxygen, we need air. Without oxygen, without air, we cannot live for a moment, for a minute. It is quite impossible. If there is no air, if there is no oxygen, we must die in a minute. So, dear students, you see that it is only Allah. He has given us oxygen to live. If there is no oxygen, we cannot live for a second, for a minute, for a moment. Not only that, dear students, please think for another minute that we need many things to live. We need food, we need clothes, we need medicine, and we need other helps. After getting up from the bed, we need food. We need breakfast. In our breakfast, we eat many items of food. Generally, a person takes a breakfast, and for this breakfast, a man may eat an egg, a piece or some pieces of bread, or a banana, or some vegetables. We see that these foods are given only by Allah. but Allah has given us these items freely. He has not taken any value. He hasn't taken from us any valuation from us. So it is only Allah who has given a lot of things for us to live, and those things are given freely, without any money, without anything. So, my dear students, we see that it is clear that Allah has given us a lot of things which are necessary for our living, for our lives, for our any problem. If Allah hasn't given anything, we will not be able to live for a moment. So, my dear students, we see that we have a lot of duties to Allah, because Allah has given us life, Allah has given us food, Allah has given us medicine, Allah has given us clothes, Allah has given us everything which are necessary for it. And if there is no things, we will not be able to live for a moment. So, dear student, it is very important this thing that we have many duties to Allah. We have many duties to Allah. And secondly, dear students, you see here, please look at the whiteboard. Our second duty, that means second duty of you are duties to parents. You have second duty, that you have some duties to your parents, because dear students, your parents, that means your father and your mother, has helped us in every moment to leave you. If your parents didn't help you, if your parents do not help you, it will be impossible, or it will be difficult for you to live for a moment, for a second, for a day. So, dear students, you see that it is a very important thing to think for your parents. Your parents has given you a lot of things. Your parents has given you food. Your parents has given you dress. Your parents are giving you other helps which are necessary for you. And if your parents do not or did not give you these things, it will be difficult, or it will be impossible for you to live in the world. And not only that, your parents have brought you to this world also. When you are a baby, you couldn't walk, and it is your parents, it is your father, it is your mother who have helped you to make you walk. So, without their help, you couldn't walk, you couldn't move, you couldn't take food. So, in every step in your life, there are a lot of things which are very important to you. So, dear students, please don't forget to your parents, because it is your parents who have given you all the things which are necessary, which are important for you. Dear students, I am going to discuss the third duties of you. The third duties of you are the duties to mankind. Duties to mankind. As a man, you have to perform a lot of duties for other persons, for other people. You have duties, all the countrymen, you have duties for the country, you have duties for the poor man, you have duties for your villagers, you have duties to your younger brothers, to your elder brothers, to your also known person, because there are many persons in our country who are helpless. There are many persons in our country who need help of you. For example, in the time of flood, there are many persons generally suffer a lot. You have to stand beside them, you have to stand to help them. The poor person are waiting for your help. The villagers are also waiting for your help. You have to help them. Dear students, we can help the other people not only by giving money, but also by giving advice, but also by giving suggestion, but also by giving them counsel. So there are many ways to help other people, and it is our most important duties. Allah will help us when we will help mankind, when we will help the other creature. So, dear students, in the duties, that means duties to mankind, you have duties to perform something for yourself also, because you are in the mankind. First, you are a student, you have foremost duties to study a lot. You have to learn a more thing so that you may acquire a lot of knowledge. You have to be a wise man so that in future you will be able to make yourself a perfect man, to help yourself, to help your parents, to help other mankind, to help the country also. So, dear students, it is very important to remember and to perform all the duties which are important for you, for us, for all the people. So, dear student, this is your first English class from Bamanaga Abdul Haq Degree College. I hope you will follow all the online class. This is an English class, first English class, and the next first year English class will be held on Wednesday. That means in a week English class will be held in 2 days. First on Monday and second class on Wednesday, every Monday and every Wednesday. Okay, dear